Hey everybody! In this video, I will show you exactly how to add snow effect in Shopify in 2024. Make sure to watch the video until the end to get the most out of it. First of all, open Shopify.com on your web browser. Search the White Christmas app in Shopify's App Store. Click on Install. This app needs to access store information. Click on Install app in the right corner. Installation was successful. This app is now up and running in your store. Click on Continue in the bottom right corner. The app is installed in your App Store. Scroll down and you can add preferences. You can enable or disable the app directly on your theme editor using the link. Click on Advanced Preferences. You can hide effects by clicking on Never or after a certain time as per your choice. Click on the Online Store. From the Sales Channel section, in the left menu bar, open Themes in it. Go to the Online Store and click on the I button to view your online store. The new tab of My Store will open. Here, you can browse the latest products with snow effects. That's how you can add a snow effect in Shopify. Click the link given in the description box to create your account. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.